Hi everyone, welcome to Edupedia World. This is Varun Ganga. In our previous session, we have already seen two examples regarding the technique in finding the multiplication of numbers whose sum of its ones digits is 10 and the remaining digits are same. Here in this session, we are going to have a look of another example regarding with the same technique. The example that I am going to take in this session is 94 into 96. So before going to apply this technique, at first you have to check whether the conditions are satisfied or not. Condition number 1 that has to be satisfied here is the sum of digits that are in ones place should be 10. So let us have a check. So here you can find 4 in ones place and 6 in ones place. And if you add these two, no doubt you will get 10 as sum. So condition number 1 is satisfied. And now coming to the remaining digits, so here you can have 9 in tens place and one more 9 in tens place. So condition number 2 says that the remaining digits should be same. So here you are having same digits in tens place. Now therefore you can apply the technique. So before going to apply the technique, you know that while doing multiplication in old traditional way, we used to write the numbers one below the other with the horizontal bar. Here too, you have to write 94 below 96 and also a horizontal bar below it. Now you can apply the technique. So before going to apply the technique, let us have a recheck. So here in ones place, you are having 4 and 6. If you add this, you will get 10. Okay, condition number 1 satisfied. Now coming to the remaining digits that are in tens place are same. So condition number 2 is also satisfied. Now let us apply the technique. So step number 1 of the technique says that you have to multiply the digits that are in ones place. So if you multiply 4 and 6, you will get 24 as product. So 24, it is a 2-digit number and it is not a single-digit number. So there is no need to prefix it with 0. So now you just take down the product below the horizontal bar and write it on the right side. Now you just move on to the next remaining digits. So the remaining digits are 9s. So according to step number 2 of the procedure or the technique says that you have to take successor of any of the numbers. So I am taking the successor for 9 below 9 and it becomes 10. I just multiply this successor with any of the 9s. If you multiply 10 into 9, you will get the product 90. You just take down that product 90 below the horizontal bar and write it on the left side. Now if you club both these two products, no doubt it becomes the final result for the multiplication of the numbers 94 and 96. So therefore you can say that 94 into 96 is equals to 9024. So while applying this technique, you have to be very careful with the conditions. So the condition number 1 that has to be satisfied here is if you add the digits that are in ones place, you have to get the sum 10 and the remaining digits should be same. If you are satisfied with these two conditions, then you can proceed to the technique. The technique involves that you have to multiply the digits that are in ones place, and if you get a single digit number, you have to prefix it with 0. And when coming to the remaining digits, you have to multiply with its successor. And if you club both these two products, you are going to get the final result. So therefore, I hope that you have understood pretty well how to apply the technique and also you have enjoyed the class very well. Now we are going to have another example in the next session with regarding the same technique. Have a colorful day. Thank you.